In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WordPress website from Hostgator in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to start over or simply no longer need the site, this guide will walk you through the process swiftly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostgator website. Simply open your web browser and enter www.hostgator.com into the address bar. After the website loads, locate the Sign In button, which is usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged into your Hostgator account, you'll be directed to the Hostgator homepage. From here, your goal is to access the management options for your websites. Look for the website link or button within the interface. It's typically clear and easy to find, as Hostgator's user navigation is quite straightforward. Click on website to open the page where your hosted sites are listed. Next, you'll need to navigate to the settings of the website you wish to delete. Find and click on Settings. This will open a page where various options to manage your site are available, from domain management to security settings. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct section, because making changes elsewhere could affect another part of your website management. Now, within the settings area, search for the option labeled Remove WordPress. This is the command you'll use to uninstall WordPress completely from your website hosting account. Click on Remove WordPress and you may be asked to confirm your decision to delete. Make sure to double check that you've selected the right website, as this action will permanently remove all files and data associated with the site. After confirming your action, Hostgator will process your request and remove WordPress from your hosting account. This process might take a few minutes depending on the server's speed and current load, so be patient. Once it's completed, you will receive a notification on the same page indicating that the uninstallation is successful. And there you have it, your WordPress site has been successfully deleted from Hostgator. Deleting your WordPress site from Hostgator is a straightforward process, but it's important to make sure that you're ready to say goodbye to your site before taking these steps. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process easier for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.